I'm in Long Beach, California at
Dirtbags California.
Okay. Yeah. And I'm here with the man, the myth, the legend.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This
Mikey
guy right
Loco, bro. Nice to have you. Pleasure is mine. So right now we're sitting in our showroom right now. We've been in this building for about 2 years under construction, and we're finally wrapping it up. We came from a 1,500 square foot facility, and now we're in an 8,000 square foot facility. So we're able to spread our wings a little bit more. We demoed the whole place, all new glass storefront. And then we set it all up, real luxury feel. So when you walk in here, you know you're gonna spend some money.
Right.
So we got a couple show bikes right here. Yeah. We call these the King Tails, where it's a bigger wheel in the back, so it's more proportional for the big wheel set up in the front.
Yes.
Modified through the whole bike, from the frame to the paint to the fenders to everything touched. These are 3 King Tails right here. Different versions of them. It's the more on the first scale you can go to, then the second scale, and then the third scale where we convert a Road King over.
Okay.
Right now, what we did is you get greeted by the bikes, and then you get greeted by the apparel. And then right here we have our glass dividers and our parts desk that actually pulls forward and turns into a bar, rolls that way, and this opens up to the whole shop right here. This folds in.
Okay.
So as we walk this way, we have our assembly line for the bikes. So if they're right here, they already been painted, they already been fitted, and it's already been cut, welded from the fabrication, from the paint side, and it's ready for assembly. Okay. So it's either a full build or an in and out job. Something like this, as you can see already, is super in and out. There's some light work. That one right there is full paint, handlebars, exhaust, so it has some work that's going to be done to it. Right. This one right here had a list of wheels, wheels, brakes, tires, air ride front and back, exhaust, bars, so that just got knocked out. We typically try to get the bike in and out for the in and out builds, like the upgrade bolt-on stuff. You typically drop your bike off on a Monday and pick it up by a Friday. Oh wow,
that's pretty quick. But it also helps that you are able, where you were located in the relationship you had with the distributors and parts manufacturers. Exactly. That you have parts and stuff and get them quick, and that you can put them on, man.
And then we don't have the bikes just sitting here. We tell them, hey, your parts are ready, bring your bike down. Right. And this area right here is where we do all of our clothing. So all of our apparel is all US made. Okay. So nothing from overseas. We get all of our t-shirts cut right here in California, the cotton in California, dyed in California with California workers. Okay. And then we bring it over here, we design it right here, and then we print it ourselves. Dope. Right here is our layout room. So all of our pinstripe, all of our graphics, all that stuff gets done in here. So we don't outsource anything. So all the crazy paint jobs you see, they're all getting done here. Oh, wow. All right, so right here in this area is where we mix all of our paint. We're sponsored by House of Colors. All right. So we mix it all old school. We do it all old school cups. We could have a machine here, but we like just hand making the colors. We get a little bit more into it, and then we get to come out with more experiments, and then we have our one-off colors happen more often when we hand do them. Yes, so here is where we have our paint booth. Oh wow, okay. So our paint booth, I could turn it on and it'll be loud though, but it sucks all the cool air from inside of the shop, so we're always spraying in between 65 and 75 degrees. Proper curing temps. Yeah. And then we have filtered air, so it's dry compressed air, so no water spraying out of there. And then we have filtered air pulling through here, that's cool. And then we have even filtered water that we wash the parts down. Oh, wow. Everything right here, we spray it down, then we spray. It's all timed, so we can spray and walk away. Okay, dope. Just watch your step. Okay.
Appreciate it. Yeah, this is crazy.
That right there, that's Little Bill and NECA. Okay. There's Little Bill's gonna be the one that helps you out when you call over here. All right. He's the one that will hit you up for all your coats and everything like that. Yeah. NECA is my right-hand man, where he handles all the stuff no one else wants to handle. Right. And all the billing and the headache shit. All right. That's Eddie right there, building some speaker pods that we manufacture for people. Good meeting, man. All right. Okay. Yeah, me and him been building bikes since we were kids out of my kitchen. Wow. So yeah, we go way back. Okay.
tile.
Ah, right.
The only place where we can clean up the spilled oil.
Right,
you know?
right,
So
right.
I had carpet through the rest of the place. We had no garage, and we didn't want to leave the shit outside, so we were doing what we had to do. Isaiah right there is our Harley tech right there.
All right.
So he can pretty much break down engines, anything, put it back together, no problem, to spec.
Yeah.
He went to school for everything, and then he did his intern here, and then finally caught a full-time job.
Oh, dope.
So he's been working here for years already.
Okay.
This is our back side right here. Right now, we're just going under construction with a few things.
Right.
So we ended up, typically all the bikes are stored down the middle and our lifts are against that wall right there for the in and out work. But right now, we're under construction. We're pulling everything to this side so we can get the construction stuff done.
Right.
Right here in the back over here is our body room where we do the body, color sanding and buffing. We do molds, we do fiberglass work. Pretty much any type of body work that we have to do is getting done in there. It's all filtered as well.
Okay.
On this side right here is our fabrication side.
Yeah.
And that's where we do our MIG, our TIG, our mill, our drill, our cutting, our grinding, our sanding, all that on this side. So pretty much anything metal, we can knock it out. To the frame jigs, we cut our necks in-house. Yeah. We modify them, shorten them, lengthen them. The frames we lengthen. This is the FXR frame that we're going to be dropping a new motor inside of it.
So you're doing M8 in this, or?
We're going to be doing it right now. We're bracing it so we can put an M8, or we could put a different engine. But right now we're leaning towards the M8 engine. We're just gonna make sure that we're getting clearance.
Okay.
So right now we're chopping everything off around it and then taking off all the inside of the frame. Yeah. And then we're gonna drop a motor in there. We have a couple motors right there that we're gonna be picking from. Okay. So we're not too sure what we're gonna drop. And then we have a 103. 103. That we're gonna probably end up dropping in there for right now because it's a stunt bike. Right. So we're probably gonna throw this one in there, but we do have an M8 engine that I prefer to put in there, but if it's too big and it leans too forward, it's not gonna be good for stunts. You're right, okay. We want that center of gravity to still be there, you know? Yeah. Right now, we're actually cutting our fabrication. We had our fabrication room, this side was just storage. Okay. So right now, we're rebuilding it and putting a barber shop back here. Oh wow, barber shop? Yeah, barber shop, yeah. So everyone get to come pull up, get your barber shop on, get a service, bring your oil change, get an oil change and a beer with it, you know? Dope, dope. So we're getting that one-stop tourist shop.
I can always tell it's already a cool place, but like you got to have the barber, the bar after hours or whatever for different special events and everything. So so basically, can someone rent the place as a venue, or are you offering that? Or?
We don't offer that. We used to in the beginning, but we're not offering it no more. Okay. We're just keeping it where we could just have it for
specific dirtbag events.
Yeah, just our own events. We're gonna be having our 10-year anniversary next month.
10 years?
Yeah, so we're gonna be opening up the facility to everybody to walk in, see the shop, come have a drink with us. You know, cheers to 10 years. You know.
Oh wow, man! Congratulations on the 10 years.
Thank you very much, man. I appreciate you coming down, man. Much love.
Okay, I'm gonna ask you this. What's your favorite bike?
This one right here definitely paved the way. It's not my best work. It's old work. We built this bike about 6 years ago, but it's a crowd pleaser, and it hit the big screen. It was on a couple shows. It's known, you know, worldwide. This bike right here, it put me on the map. So I got a lot of love for it. It's not for sale. It's gonna stick with me, and from there, I got to, you know, show off a little bit more work. I have this bike right here that's on the frame over there, the Turbo Cali bike right there. That's my second one. That's one of my favorites. So we did that one right there. Yeah, we put a lot of money into that one just to show off our skills and show what we're capable of doing. And then this one right here. This one is completely different. It's a Road King that we converted into a Kingtail, full carbon body, one-off everything. It's a wide tire in the front, 21 by 5.5 in the rear. So it's a big boy in the back. This bike looks amazing, rides amazing. I could really giddy up on this thing. And it's completely different than anyone else's stuff. So it's definitely not cookie cutter. It's straight from my noggin to reality right now.
I'm like ridiculously impressed, man. I mean, like I was impressed online or whatever, but like see them actually in person, these are definitely works of art. And
you see this bike in Milwaukee?
I remember seeing this one online, like on social media or whatever, like when you first like did it some years ago or whatever. But nah, I didn't see it.
Yeah, one custom bike out there for the year. You know what I'm saying? So
there you go. Custom bike of the year at Harley Homecoming 2024. It's got the flake in there. Got the headwinds. Got the music on there. Got the open belt. Oh yeah. And this is the air tank right here?
Yeah.
Okay. Air tank.
The front end, the frame is completely custom where we chopped off the neck and then welded a Road King neck on it. So that's a full Road King nacelle, brake setup, fork setup, fender, even the dash. If I turn the handlebars right there, you can see the horns that are built into the frame. Yeah, so this is old work too, so our new work is even better.
Oh wow.
All right, these are our fenders right here, our seat, our tank. A lot of it's been done just us just messing with it and building it till we're happy with it. The paint has real gold inside of it, so it's real gold leaf, 24 karat, along with real gold plates. Yeah, that's all real gold. And then all the other pieces are out of real brass, polished and then clear coat. The only thing I didn't clear coat were the grips, so I could have like a patina happen over time, so it could kind of like blow holes. So it could blend with the brakes.
This place is impressive. Like I've never seen a shop like this, complete with basically like a boutique look in the front when you walk in, and then show quality motorcycles in the lobby, in the showroom, service, the parts and everything, paint shop, fab shop, body shop and everything. Yeah, so definitely stop through here. What's the address here?
1133 East Artesia.
1133 East Artesia, Long Beach, California.